Hello, what's up guys? Today we are going to start new tutorial episode from the Java. You can download Java JDK and your favorite IDE. So here some example for the IDEs. You can download Eclipse, NetBeans, or you can use BlueJ or whatever your favorite. So this is the currently I'm using this one, NetBeans, developed by the Apache. So let's begin. This is the my new class. You can create a new class, a new project from here, and you can create a new class from your source package. Right click new and new Java class, and here if you can't see your main class, you can create a main class from like this, main tab, and you can print some word like this, system.out.println, and terminate from the semicolon. You can here write hello world, and you can run the program from here or press the F6 button from your keyboard. So in here my new class main method is new class. I'm select this one and select main class. Okay, it's running, wait for it. So this is the output, hello world. Also you can create variables from the Java, but you have some rules for that we can see in here. Some rules are there. So first one is all identifiers should be begin with the letter. You can start with any variable with the capital A to Z or simple A to Z, and currency character use as a first character, and underscore can use as a first character. So in here, in the case we can see here two variables are there, so we can write like this: integer apple. So in this time I'm create a variable from the simple A. Second time integer apple. So second time is I'm start with the capital letter. You can see here no errors found. So this is two variables. It means Java is case sensitive. So next one is also you can start with the dollar sign. Here no errors, and also with the underscore. Here no errors, and we can try out another example for invalid variable using star. You can see in here ID show the errors. So we can't use any other special character for beginning of the variable name, so only accept those things only. So second one is after the first character, identifier can have any combination of characters. So integer. Also you can use any other data types, floats or integer, string. I'm used in this time string. You can use $sign price. Okay, so in here I put some numbers. Here you can see no errors, it's allowed. Third one is most importantly identifier. Yes, we know already that. Fifth one is identifier. Yes, these are legal identifiers, only those are accepted by the Java. These are illegal identifiers, those are rejected by the Java. So we can create new variable integer price. I'm assigned to that 50. You can declare a variable like this, or you can declare a variable like this. You can use both of them, no problem. And you can hear those brackets are should removed, and I'm writing here price and run the program. Here you can see 50 is printed. So those are the basic things of the Java. Next episode we are going to talk about the Java methods, and subscribe on our channel, and thank you, have a nice day.